Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here to show you this 3-bedroom house in West Trassaco. Okay, I'm gonna take you straight in so you can have a look around yourself. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, as we enter the property, we are met with this big living area space right here. Okay, what I like about this room is we have obviously lots of light coming in here. We have lots of light from this direction, and then we have some smaller windows here, which means you get lots of light flooding in, okay? We have quite a lot of space as well. You can see here we have under space storage, so you can put some things out of the way if you'd like. Over here we have guest bathroom, okay, which is done really nice. Okay, I like the 2 texture tiles on the walls because it just kind of gives the bathroom a nice sort of feel. Okay, so that's your guest bathroom there. And right next to the guest bathroom is the kitchen space, okay? So in here, again, this is quite a nice, decent sized space for a kitchen. Nothing in here is fitted yet, okay? They have not put the kitchen equipment in yet. And that is on purpose because whoever buys this house will have the opportunity to make some customizations to the kitchen. And also, you probably noticed that the living room space as well, there's no banister going up. That is because they want to allow whoever moves in here to have choice pickings on what they would like. So rather than being stuck with, you know, what's been given to you, you can make those changes. So that's quite nice. Okay, there's also some backyard space here. Okay, what's that? Okay, so just at the back of the kitchen here, we have some outside space. This you can kind of customize it if you want. So at the moment we have some stones on the ground here, but you can make this into grass if you'd like, or make it a little bit different. It's completely up to you. So now I'm going to take you upstairs so you can have a look around. So as we reach the top of this floor of the house, okay, you're met by this kind of landing space here, and then you have this space here. So really you can kind of do with it what you would like to, whatever you would like to do really. So if you want to make this into like a nice area for children, you can absolutely do that here. And we have 2 bedrooms over here. So the first bedroom is here. So as you come in here, again, a very nice big space. You have space to put a kind of, you can close this off and kind of make it like a closet if you would like to do that. And we obviously have ensuite bathroom too. So again, the bathroom tiles are pretty similar to what we saw downstairs in the guest bathroom. So you have everything that you want in here, all your vanity, you have your shower unit as well. So pretty much you don't need anything else, right? And just opposite this room is the second bedroom, okay? And this kind of mirrors what you see in the first one. So again, a fairly similar size room, except this time we obviously have the balcony doors here. So you have a balcony space where you can sit out there and enjoy yourself in the morning or the evening, any time of day really. Okay, again, please do not be worried that you can see that. In fact, let me go outside and show you properly. So you can see that this is an open space. You can completely make sure that you close this off if you're worried about children having access to outside, and for safety reasons, this can be done in a way so that it can make it safe. You can put a glass balustrade here or something like that, so don't be too worried. But I think if you put some nice sofas out here, you can absolutely make yourself comfortable and make this a really nice living space if you'd like to do that. Now this house does have another floor, so we're gonna go up another floor. Okay, so as we continue up the stairs, you'll see that there's a window in the hallway which gives you extra light so that the hallway doesn't feel like too dark and too dingy. You have light coming in. And then we're met by the top landing space here. Now this is quite a nice big space. As you can see, you can do, again, something nice here with this space, okay? So this is basically for the primary bedroom, this area. So you can set up in here. So you close your front door there. You have a really nice space here. So if you want to have like perhaps a TV area or something like that, you can put that there. And then you can set up your bed here. And then you have views of outside. So we have the balcony space. Again, a similar thing to what was downstairs. You have your balcony space here. So you can open these all the way up and get a view of the main road and outside and just be a little bit nosy if you want to. So over here is the bathroom. Okay, so we have a double unit sink here. You have your shower. Okay. And then right here we have this, I mean, I personally would probably use this as some type of, you can use it as a closet, I guess, or you can use it for storage, you can use it for absolutely anything that you want, okay? So this house has been done with the view in mind that you can make it what you want, okay? So you can make alterations in different places, so you don't have to be set on exactly what has been given to you. You can make some nice changes there. And over here we have a back door, which is always nice. Okay. Again, this is another really nice place to kind of be able to sit outside here, enjoy the views, enjoy the breeze. You can absolutely open this out and get breeze going right the way through the house. So that's nice, right? So now you've seen the house, I'm sure you want to know the price, okay? So this house is going for $250,000, okay? Now, these are semi-detached houses. There are 16 units being built in total, okay? So that's 8 of the semi-detached house making 16, okay, altogether. I hope that's not confusing, right? But anyway, yes. Right, so now the house next door, which kind of almost mirrors this one, but this one's slightly bigger than the one next door. The one next door is going for $200,000. This one's going for $250,000. It has another floor. Now this area, West Trassaco, we have lots of different amenities around. So you have easy access to schools, hospitals, shops. So you really have no problem. It's a great location. It's very up and coming. Lots of development happening around as well. So this is a really great location if you're looking to enter the market or you want a home for your family. This is definitely that for you. This development also has 24-hour security. So if you have children, you have a family and you want them to be able to move around without being worried about them, this is a great opportunity for you to allow them to do that, because this place will be fully secure. If you're out as well, you'd know that your home is being looked after, okay? So that's a great benefit to this place. Right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate it a lot. If you are interested in this house, please send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I will put you in touch with the developer and you can take it from there. If you haven't already subscribed, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share. Until next time, I am out. Luti Fafa.